Experience the ultimate in luxury with your newly installed seat covers custom fit for your Toyota Sienna with 3 rows seating. Made with soft and stretchy water-resistant neoprene fabric, these custom fit seat covers offer handy slip pockets on the back side, are long-lasting and impeccably constructed with thick foam padding for extra comfort. Front to back, FH Group has you covered with split bench access from the rear middle seats to the 3rd row. Plus, the fabric is precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. Protect the interior and full value of your Toyota Sienna with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.